Hey you guys, this is Cindy with Tech Hire Clackamas, and I'm here with Desiree.
Hi.
And she is doing a little project here on the CNC machine, and I'm going to turn you guys around so she can explain what she's doing and so you can see a little bit of the process. Now it's
Okay, so I just paused the machine, so I'm gonna start it up. Basically, we programmed a part, and now I already went through my dry run, and I'm just doing the final run through on it, and here it goes. So right now it's just drilling some holes.
How long did it take you to actually put the program in, that part?
The program, since this was the first program we did, it probably took us about 3 hours to do. So
wow.
It took some time. We had to do different arcs, figure out what point on the axis they were on. So that took quite some time. And yeah, it was intense. It was a lot of work. But it's nice to know that it's all going to get paid off, so it looks nice. It looks really cool. And it just did what it just was doing was it was getting all the rough edges off of it. Now it's just going to drill the final holes, and then we'll be done with our program.
Very cool. So what would be the next step once the program's complete that you would do with that part?
After I get this part done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my my blueprint, and I have all my dimensions on here. I'm going to have to measure it with my caliper and micrometer and make sure that it's all to size. And if it is, then I'm going to go turn it in, and if it's not, then I'm going to go through, figure out what was wrong with it, and then fix it in my program, whether or not the offsets were like my error or maybe an error in the code. So that's the next step.
Very cool.
And now it's all done, and it shoots on forward, I think. Oh, no, one more step. We got to get the, what is this called? A thread. The thread to go through. And it's so snazzy. It's like, all done. So now we open it up.
And there it is.
And that's the finished part.
Very cool. Thank you.
Uh-huh.